finishing up the install with Kylar stuff.
Gone dead.
It's not going as planned. The MMI works. For some reason, the screen we got doesn't work, so we're trying to figure that stuff out right now. I got some goodies in the mail from F8 Freaks, F8X. You know, sheesh. I already put some 3M on it, but I'll show you what it's gonna look like. Ugh. Boom! Can't really see in the dark, but this looks amazing. Fairly cheap too, so. Is that it?
Hot boy shit.
Pretty much. Dang.
I don't have any.
Look at that guy.
Oh shit.
What in the haberdasheries hemoglobin is in your Fender? Oh my god. That thing has a mouth. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a killer.
We got a bug killer.
I mean, dang. Let's get a better close-up of this, shall we? I mean, look at the size of that thing. I have never seen no shit like that. Yo, this guy lived a horrible life. He was out flying one day and then slap dead. Sorry for your loss. Damn.
He got eaten.
Looks unhappy with his life. All right, back to our regularly scheduled program, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Time for the moment of truth. Da 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 da.
Oh no. No.
Take one.
I hate when that happens.
Yep.
Gotta relay it.
Give me the scissors, and I'll just cut this. Oh shit, they might be in here. Are they? Yep. Sorry. Question is, do I even really need that one?
Just line it up on this side.
Let's focus on the dead bug. There it is. Dang, a whole ass leaf fell out.
Money.
Money shot, ladies and gentlemen. I introduce you to Wang's hair.
Is it too far out?
Nah, that looks pretty good.
Can't be any farther in.
Can be, a little bit. Huh? What do you think? What do you think?
Pretty good. Oh, it's way better.
Alright, now one more.
In the words of Mortal Kombat, perfect.
I think this side fit better. What we thinking?
I like it. All right, Kyler, you can move now.
Ooh, this side's not.
Shout out to F8 Freaks. Sponsor our whole entire team.
This side isn't as flush as the other side, but
It's your bumper.
nah.
And that's all, folks. No time left to record. Thanks for tuning in.
So since we didn't get to do it last night, we're gonna coat these in ceramic coat. I used the Obsessed Garage Crystal Serum Light. If this will focus. Boom. And then we're gonna top it off with XO4. Be putting this in cross hatches. And on to the next side. So, got the ceramic coat done on both sides. Looks pretty good. As you can see, the passenger fitment's slightly better. I might need to take this one apart or have them send me a new one. I'm talking to them now to see if it's a manufacturer defect on fitment. But yeah, there's a minor gap up here, which is probably going to make me go insane, so I'm probably going to mess with it. The 3M that they sent's really strong, so it's really hard to like take it off without damaging the carbon, so I'm going to try to use some fishing line and run it and see if I can get this carbon fiber piece off without warping it. Alright, God, I can't see. It's like sort of bright but cloudy. We're out here. We're about to go take some rollers. We got Viet, Caleb, and Kylar. Kylar just got his spacers put on. They look good. And then I think Viet, I don't think he's installed anything new, but he wants rollers, so we're going to go do that. And then I just installed those splitters, as you know from earlier. So hopefully these come out pretty good.
How to give the wheels a little detail.
Got Caleb, yeah.
What up, dude?
Hey, we got the M's. Got the 340.
The beefy. The beefy.
Yes.
D58. Look at the license plate frame.
Sheesh.
I don't want big wheels. Yeah.
Okay. You got some spacers on. Look at that. Flush.
Yeah.
Flushy.
Pretty good.
Sheesh. And we got my new fins on.
Wheel? What is this, a V2 wheel?
V1.
V1. What's the difference?
So the V1 has the blue strip with the Alcantara all the way around. The V2 has the perforated leather sides with the Alcantara on top and bottom, and possibly the flat bottom.
Cool. Yeah, this one's in a little rough shape. You know, you can see like the bunchings of the fabric. It's really worn down. So let's see if we can bring it back to life. So we got color lock, Alcantara, and fabric cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this onto the brush that came in the cleaning kit. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just lightly mist our brush. See what we can get done. A little bit more, so I'm just gonna spray the.
So Kylar already did mine. Mine wasn't as bad, but
Alright, so we're actually going to switch to this Detail Factory large detail brush, and it's super soft, and this way I can spray more product directly into the bristles, and that way we can get a little bit more.
some of his center strip with light blue acrylic leather paint. So these fade a lot. I think I said it in the previous video that these fade a ton, so we have the paint on order. This actually came in the same time that Caleb's wheel came in, and we just started testing it, and it came out really good. The color looks good, so now after we clean it, we're gonna do the rest. Might be hard to tell, but the fibers were like flat, and we brought it back up. We used that brush. Some flakes came off, but I don't think it's anything major. But like we used this one way and brought it up, sort of fluffed it up some more. Looks good. Alright, so we didn't show the part of me wrapping the steering wheel, but in the footage, background footage and whatnot, you'll notice that I ended up wrapping the steering wheel, and then I used the acrylic paint already. This is the first coat. We're probably going to make like 2 or 3 coats on it, just to make it even. I forgot sandpaper, but I don't think we'll need it. It's pretty level. And then we use like a painter's paintbrush. And it looks pretty good. We'll keep you updated when it finishes drying and I finish with the other coats. So this is all dried up. Looks really good. And it is cheaper than buying a brand new steering wheel.